Hi, I'm Dale Davidson. Welcome to the VA Guide channel. I'm glad you're here today. I am an elder law and veterans attorney here in Southwest Georgia and North Florida. So we're glad you joined us here today. Hopefully this video will provide you with a lot of good information, and if you find that it's helpful, you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. Also, if you'll like and subscribe, then as new content comes available, then you'll be alerted. So thank you for that. What I wanted to talk to you about today, or today's video, is about the VA aid and attendance application. And remember from our last video that what are the requirements for VA pension? Now, VA pension is open to couples, widowed veterans, okay, or surviving spouses of veterans who served during a qualifying wartime period, okay. Remember, qualifying wartime periods were, of course, World War I, World War II, Korea, Vietnam. We don't have the dates yet for Desert Storm. Is this pension worth it? Absolutely. I have clients here who have their parents are in, or they're in assisted living, and they're getting about $2,200 a month for the last 4 or 5 years. So added up, that's about $25,000 a year. That's over $100,000 that these people have gotten to help defray the cost of their long-term care at assisted living. So is it worth it? Absolutely. Don't miss out on this benefit. By the way, a little tidbit, about less than 5% of the people who actually apply for this benefit actually get it. And even less get the maximum benefit. Give us a call, we can help you out. So what do we do, or how do we structure our services to you in getting this application done? Number one, we're going to ask you for a whole lot of information. We have a checklist that we'll send to you, and it'll say, we want your marriage certificates, your divorce decrees, financial information, property information, a lot of different information, because we're going to put this all together in what we refer to as a fully developed claim. We're going to put all the information on the different applications and the different forms that the VA requires, and then we're going to ship it off to the VA for you. So it's very, very important that, you know, to the extent that you've got this information, give it to us, okay? Because if you're missing say a divorce decree, the VA is going to want to know, hey, are you still married to your former spouse? And they say, well, that's crazy, I'm already married. But look, you're dealing with the government, all right? So trust me, you know. And by the way, I had a client one time, still a client, bless his heart. He just got remarried for the 3rd time, but he couldn't get married for the 3rd time because he was still married to his other 2 wives when we first started this process. But the good news is now he and his wife are getting about $2,230 a month in VA pension. So what happens when we file this fully developed claim for you? It goes to the VA and falls into their big black hole of whatever they do. You will probably get some kind of documentation from the VA saying, look, we've got your application, we're working on it. You might get that in, say, 30 to 45 days. You may not get anything. Now, if you don't get anything, it's going to be up to you to contact the VA to say, hey, what's going on? Okay, we can't contact the VA for you because we're not your representative. You're your representative, and maybe a child or grandchild, whoever you've chosen, is the one who can talk to them. But we will have proof that we submitted the application. If you don't get that, call them and get that straightened out. They'll be working on it, and then they may, hopefully not, but they may send you a letter saying, hey, look, we see where you got a little bit of interest on this checking account, but you don't have a interest-bearing checking account on your application. We'll just have to respond to the VA on that. Or hey, we see where you were divorced, but you didn't provide us any divorce information on your previous marriages. So that's why we try to get as much information, and we give that to the VA up front so that they don't have any questions, and we can get you qualified quicker than as if you just piecemealed them information throughout the process. So they get the application, and then all of a sudden they ask you for information. Don't hesitate. Get us that letter right away. Don't come up at the last minute and say, hey, look, I've got to get this thing to the VA this afternoon. We've got a lot of folks we're helping. We'd love to help you too, but we're on deadlines too. So if you get a letter from the VA, we need to know about it. So what happens in the process if mom or dad pass away? If it's a couple's application, of course, we've got to tell the VA. That was going to delay the process a little bit. And the question is, well, do I get the Retropay for mom and dad to the date of application? Unfortunately not. If mom passes away, you get the retroactive payback for dad. That's one of the quirks of the VA. So what happens if, at some point in time, mom or dad have to go into a skilled nursing facility? We need to contact the VA and let them know that the situation has changed. But that's not going to change the application itself. That's not going to change the fact that now mom or dad is in skilled nursing. They're still going to get awarded. They're still going to get awarded back to the date of the application. And let me tell you, what is the date of application? So let's say that today is August the 10th. So we submitted a fully developed claim today. The effective date of that application is going to be September 1st. When the application is approved, they will pay back to September the 1st. Not the date that we sent the application in, but September 1st. It's very, very important that we get all the information that we ask for, and I know it's kind of a pain. It's tedious. You'll get aggravated at us, but it's well worth your time just to follow the directions, go through our checklist, make sure that you have that information. If you don't have the information, it may not be relevant anyway, but just let us know that you don't have that information and we can help you out. If you like what we said today and what I've talked about today, you want some more information, we're going to leave a link below to our website. It'll shoot us an email, and then we will send you some information on the VA pension. Here's one of our little cheat sheet cards and some other information that so we can help you. We're in the business of helping people. We're in the business of helping veterans and their surviving spouses. Thanks for watching today, and again, like, subscribe, and comment below if you see that we need to make any changes or we need to improve our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you.
No more whiskey, I'll have a Coke. Catching bass on an old fishing boat. One more story from Grandpa Joe. Let's get happy before we get old.